common. I realized that we've been doing a lot of pranks on each other lately.
Yeah, and that you got pranked every time.
Yeah, but I wanted to make peace with you because I made you this cupcake. I made it myself.
Are that blueberries?
It's a muffin! I got your ass this time!
Ah, I got you back!
Fuck you!